Fish vendors in St. Elizabeth are complaining that business is particularly bad this year. They say with a scarcity in fish, the high cost is also turning away customers. Shamela Pullen has that report.
Fish is synonymous with Easter. It's why fish vendors look forward to this time of the year for extra earnings. However, over in Black River, St. Elizabeth, they're instead counting their losses.
They say it man would say it rough, but me have to say rough.
Very hard because you can't pay your light bill, you can't pay your water bill, you can't pay your bill. But we just go and say
Fishermen now have to venture deeper into the ocean because of an apparent scarcity of fish in areas where they normally cast their nets. But that equates to more petrol, and already fuel prices are sky high.
the fish is not there to cook to the customers them. I have a lot of customers and I can't maintain them right now because the fish is not available.
At 3 nights now, I go out there and I have to park, you know. I pay £5, £4 and £3. Instead of me I increase, me I reduce.
Why?
But
what do you think of that?
Why, I don't know how to fish them if I weather. But something about why the system.
So how do you manage to supply the persons who buy from you?
Why, you know, say sometimes I have to take all money before I catch a fish. So when we go and catch a fish and a man say, he want £5 or £2, then we can't sell him because I have to bag you up and give me customers. Yeah man, that's how you go man. That's a thing now going, brother.
We used to buy it for $600, now they raise it to $750 a pound and 8.
So how does it affect you?
It affect me bad for the customers still not buying.
The fishermen they raise the price for the gas gone up, wire gone up, ice gone up, everything gone up.
But a few vendors remain optimistic. They're hopeful things will get better.
Customers should come by because I get the food. So I want customers to take them from me. Well, later you step up, things nice. It's a go on. You have to give thanks. The Almighty God say man, we make something. Be good man.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.